Feel like some more fire should have done it. I don't think some smoke should have.
Alright then, that's a your thought. So you believe, Mr. Martin?
Well, me believe the chicken just stay buried like a dead. Nobody wake it up back.
You say, nah, come out, nothing good.
Come out, nothing.
What you think, Tiger?
Me believe a solid chicken must stay, bro. Like it just stay some baby. Yeah.
Alright. That's
Big
it.
up.
And Ninja, what you believe? What you think will be the verdict at the end of the day?
When Chris say about the fire, I kinda I have faith in it, but I kinda doubt the fire. Me I think look more fire should have there underneath.
Should have look more burning.
No I say no peeps. No I say from a shimmer in the kitchen. Disaster there on the back door. I know guys, look at this. The coal not cooling.
That's when I done this, I lick him 10 to and him 10 finger them. Don't Chris?
This is what another 3 hours, brother.
15 hours?
15 hours.
Yeah peeps, Martel Adventure TV back at it again. You know we're there. We have something special planned for you today. I roast a chicken underground today for the which holiday today? Heroes weekend?
Heroes Day. Yeah man, Heroes Day man.
Day. So that we are present for you today. I have a roast chicken where we do underground. So we just want to stay tuned. I'm gonna dig the hole now. No enough I only never see this before, but no one to no laugh, you know, cause last time we do a local fish pan rock experiment here, some people say, this time we are going perfect this thing.
And for them see they know what time it is, you know.
What time it is?
Either it go feel or it half feel.
You come with bad vibes already, brother. Alright, so check we out later. We'll dig this a hole and get this thing ball rolling.
Yeah, peeps. Look what go on. Chris just pop up in our peeps. Knife Ninja supposed to go pass through too. Feel where Shamara plan to go work?
Try nothing done.
Alright. Chris I go and get the oven ready up here now. Saying he can't cook. See what doing can do. Look who is here.
We up here.
Yeah, man.
Just a reach on the ground.
Yeah, dealing
Just a
God.
reach on the ground, yeah.
Yeah, peeps. Ninja reaching, you see me?
Cool, man.
Yeah, man.
Blessings now. One Martel Adventure TV. Guys,
Yeah,
you
man.
can stay and watch what go on. So the
See how dealing now, fiddler.
You know, some they are pretty up before. Proper wash down, you know? Proper bath. No one around this, though.
Yeah. So I go on my boss. How you feel about the chicken on the ground?
No, say my feet weak. Feel like say if I just stood there it would work. Cause there ain't really that for me to stay.
So what you would have used?
The same wood maybe stone
Alright.
round the wood.
Oh, so you my guest today?
that is it, man. So I cook some rice, no problem.
Yes, sir. I rub on like a jerk season upon him, you know?
Yeah.
As I tell you people, splash and shake.
Splash and shake, you know.
Rubbing this
It's on a splash and dash
No,
today.
this is a splash and shake. We'll go and base him with the jerk season first. Put a little more, you know, we know what I mean with the season.
A generous amount, eh?
Yeah. Ladder him properly, you know?
Yeah, good look.
Yeah, I mean with the season. Get some underneath the skin also, you know?
Yeah, man. That's a code. A good looking one, guys. Trust me.
Down inside the belly all about. Yeah.
The oil for now, my boss.
This have a lot of chicken. Make sure it don't stick to your pan and thing, you know. So the season itself can hold to it also. You see?
Yeah.
So we'll mix up the seasoning in the oil, you know. Generous amount of seasoning. Mix it up. Oh. Watch that. Look out for spill, peeps.
Nervous.
Look out for spill, peeps. Nervous. That you call it? It's a secret blend. Who provide with this one, Martel?
One and only cookie, man.
Big up Miss Forbes.
Yeah, peeps, it smells really good.
Yeah, people, so I finished get this thing prepared. I stuff this with some rosemary and look of flavor, additional flavor. Yeah. Go and prepare the rest of the thing them. You know, we'll have some onion, we'll have some potato.
Me got somebody believe in him, you know.
You believe in
Because
it?
at one point he never believed in himself.
You never believe in yourself?
Yes, so right now give me energy. So.
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by
you.
What do you mean what I mean? You know if you
Elaborate,
want to
elaborate.
leaf, bro.
that? No, it's a natural thing that when you're nervous sometimes, you want to give people
Natural like
greatness.
Yeah, man.
You want to give people greatness, so...
I mean, if you beg him and tell him, so remember, so yesterday real quick, I know to this. Shit.
Alright, so here what?
Oh, listen up.
Here what? Four of them believe. They say believe in him?
I believe in him, man. I go do it.
Alright.
Yeah, man, I go do it.
Yeah, peeps.
Yeah, throw off the water, you know. I mean, we're going to stay in at the bottom of my pan, you know. Want to flavor the things, I mean, like.
Oh, I put inside zinc and stuff.
You don't want to do that. We cover it?
No, for black the man plant inside.
This is what everybody been waiting for. We go inside of this thing. See how I look a bit later, you know?
This was the camera.
Moment of truth.
Irish, onion, pepper, jerk seasoning, pork seasoning.
Make sure say all the juices and gone down inside the chicken, you know?
The chicken that well seasoned.
Yeah, chicken well seasoned, man.
Bone, man. Then the skin.
We got the merch, Isa, Color Smith TV.
Yeah, man, I want Color Smith TV, man. I don't know.
Yeah, man, peeps.
The boss, you know what I mean?
Look good, man.
Man, they're pioneer and I think, guys, so you don't know the thing, go?
Yeah.
So, yeah, man.
Big up.
Good. So, guys.
Yes, guys, look at this.
No, lay on the next side there. More
Guys,
uniform this way.
the chicken in the sorrel beer sauce.
Oh, my word. Man, I will experience it. Man, Paul wing them. Oh, God. Man, Paul wing them a while ago.
Yeah, like him know this.
Yo, believe in him. Some more, I swear. Believe in him some more.
Where's the ninja? Believe in him.
He just gone a next level. I
Yeah.
swear. You know him, I do, man. Watch it.
Yeah.
Oh, God, man. You know him, I do, man. Man, make sure say the thing seasoned to the teeth, peeps.
Yeah, guys. How it look?
So I'll stuff some butter underneath the chicken, you know? Underneath the skin. Just to ensure so everything properly.
Yes, guys.
Man, see that?
Look at that.
Oh my word, your chicken is juicy, you know. Should have some syringe for just get some
Inject some more seasoning in it.
Yeah, that's true. That's all the charter.
That's all the charter right now for it.
Good look, peeps. Make sure so the thing there underneath the skin there, guys. And the rosemary there, get up.
Yeah, peeps. The stick and stay much for going. Peeps. Stand the cover up on the chicken now, you know. Go and marinate out.
Yeah.
You want to make the coal go and burn out. Next time you see it, reach into the oven.
Yeah, peeps. Moment of truth. Well, not quite yet.
Yeah, guys, look at that.
Yeah.
Let's see how it is.
Cover him up now.
Shemar.
Hey.
Yeah, guys. I pack the rest of cool on top of the file tin now.
The man touch fire like it now.
Yeah, come here to eat wicked from here, so.
Virgin of that me I say, man.
Cool, man.
You say cool?
Cool.
See that, guys?
Fire ninja people.
Fire
Smart,
ninja, this one, fire lord Zuko. Alright then, fire lord.
Yeah, guys.
Minimum. Me are the chef.
No matter what is the outcome, I still the chef.
Picture
Me are the
and
chef,
caption.
man.
Where's
Me are
my
this,
cooking?
Yeah, come out good, man. As me tell you, the year was. That
Yeah.
are the treat. See
What's
that?
up? Where's my
Look,
cooking?
Yeah.
See that?
Color
That
Smith
are the trick to
TV.
it,
Big up.
people. So right now the stove
So if
turn
you never
way down
know
low.
what's missing,
Yeah.
The
see
stove
it.
turn down low right
Yes,
now.
a slow cook.
The chicken there underneath the ground right
This
now.
I
So you know, say,
trick to it,
the
yeah?
food are kind of semi-organic. We have the garlic, the onion, and the pepper. And we have
Potato.
red stripe beer for the chickens, you know, that go sweet.
So what you call that one? What you call it?
Yeah, peeps. So Mr. Martel said him not believe in the underground roast chicken, but him mouth soon change, man. You see when I done this, I'm lick him 10 to and him 10 finger them. Don't Chris?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I'm put another one now.
Let me see what I go on.
And you feel like it all going
See what I
well?
go on, man.
What you believe so
Me
far?
believe.
Thus far. Based on the preparations we see me make and everything, what you believe?
Alright.
How gonna be the verdict?
Feel like some more fire should have done it. Alright, no, I think some smoke should have.
Alright then, that's a your thoughts. What you believe, Mr. Martin?
Well, me believe the chicken just stay buried like a dead. No matter wake it up back.
You say, nah, come out to nothing good.
Come out, nothing.
What you think, Tiger?
Me believe a solid chicken must stay, bro.
Alright.
Make it just stay some baby. Yeah.
Alright. That's
Big
it.
up.
And Ninja, what you believe? What you think gonna be the verdict at the end of the day?
Frank, when Chris say about the fire, I kinda I have faith in it, but I kinda doubt the fire. I think little more fire should have there underneath.
Should I look more burning?
Just not feel no fire.
Chris.
So I get some coconut ready to cook, cause Ninja go cook some white rice.
One dodo, just arrived.
Active. Bless up.
Yeah, we are work.
Bless up.
Up, man.
Fire under
Straight.
the man.
Fire under the
See food that come out of there, right now. Fever under.
Up there. Jesus. Go on, look there. Oh, yeah, Mr. Williams.
Don't know, big up mean team, Westbrook.
One Martel Adventure TV, guys.
That is it. One knife
Subscribe.
ninja.
Yeah, man, that is it, man. I don't know anything, no?
Before you should have one bamboo down like them.
Alright.
The bamboo them more better.
In the oven.
Some bamboo, and ride it out and make it steam and blow.
The steam blow.
Now, you can cut PCM right here now if you need it.
Not necessary.
Alright.
And put it on the fan, bang, and then the fire. You go to the market in a year. After you know, I'm more.
Yeah, man, this good, man. From the rice start steam, you know. Go up, you know.
Circle up, yeah.
Just want it blaze and the rice get hot to a point where once it starts steam.
One go.
Yes, man, one go.
See there? You never have to go hard. Straight don't do that. One go.
Yeah, guys.
Done.
Real fire that.
Real
Put them
fire,
on this
man.
pan there.
Alright, guys, so you don't know the thing, go. We're there right now. I will advise, you know what I mean? It's a good look. So basically, the next move, we're going to come some and wash the rice. But before we do that, we are making
We can't see it.
3 item.
3 eye.
Yeah, because you don't trouble it, you cannot sit and it always up in the ear.
Coconut that man.
Oh,
Yeah, because the eye them.
alright, yeah, so you know how I go on. We not have to tell.
Yeah, man,
You tell a man that today and he can't tell me, you know. I say, Aki. Aki can't, Aki not no eye. Aki has seed.
Seed and pod. Seed and pod.
Seed and pod. This have eye. Always turn up here if you don't trouble it, you don't see it. Always
Coconut.
cover
That
it.
really
See that?
bad.
Real thing. Coconut. 3 eye. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, that.
Always turn up like this in the ear. If you don't trouble it, you
Nah,
cannot
see.
see it.
So it's coconut,
Right.
guys.
You know me not tell about the Aki have eye. Aki not no eye. Aki have seed.
Alright guys, check in again. You know what I mean? So you don't know the thing go. Yeah, go into the rice and all peeps.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah, man.
Knife Ninja get some rice ready up for the fire. White rice
The old white rice.
in coconut water. Yeah, man, I never tasted one there before, so new experience today.
Yes, sir. How much pound rice is?
3 pounds.
Throw some water for me on there, bro. Alright, guys. So this is it now. Hold it there. Alright, peeps.
Everyone people stick and stay on charge.
You know what I mean?
I have the coconut
Coconut water. You know, we don't pronounce the T. You know, when we say coconut water. You know what I mean?
Coconut water.
The water. Eh?
Where water or not to the
Coconut?
water?
A coconut there is one.
Water.
Yeah, the coconut water.
Yeah.
So wait there. Don't know no slap the pan the fire go on warm.
I go on bubble.
I call water and I put rice in the mud.
I go water.
White rice can get a cool.
No man.
Oh yeah, sir, man. You say
White rice can go in a cold water.
That's
though,
it,
but,
that's
you know?
No me not do that. Real coconut water.
The old coconut water, guys. You see that? 3 is enough, man.
More than enough.
And put that tonight on the cook. Put that and clean so nothing drop in there. I not do nothing. Kai, put on the back of Kai. Kai come to me, Kai. We know say you're a general, of course. You're a real soldier.
Man, just
guys.
thing I wash it. Once the mount are in a farm of a can, you can see it on the flat. Okay. So we line the zinc to this thing.
Alright, the last one, you know, guys.
I'm gonna cover for that, so we do.
Zinc?
Yeah.
Yo, the right amount, you know, bro.
Oh God, man, just right.
Watch it. Look there.
Just right.
Watch it. The right amount of water, guys. So we have the rosemary, guys. You know what I mean? And we have the thyme and scallion. Don't know when to cut thyme, so I wash off the thyme right also. Put some thyme in the pot. We have the scallion, so here we have to take off the lower piece. Ring off. Well, I wash it, ring it off first. I wash it. But we don't want to cut up the scallion, man. The scallion can easily remove.
I wonder if people did know say the tail hold the most flavour in the scallion. Enough people never know that still. Some people might disagree, some might
A little
agree.
bit more water.
Do what your mind telling Ninja.
If you did the rice from mine, I do it to the
I'm afraid him run from it first.
I use it.
Yeah, him run from cooking the pot of rice
that
first.
don't
Man.
just actually carry me go work on the car.
Alright then,
Straight
alright.
up.
Bless up.
Yeah, no problem.
next time. Yeah, I'll commence next time.
No argument.
No man can't feel
One of that. And I have this, so yeah, that's clean enough. And this is how we used to taste it now. Yo, the flavour nice as a shit. Cheese and cream.
Oh gosh.
You see the salt and the coconut? Oh gosh, man. Yo, I'll put in a little bit more salt. Alright, that is it, guys. So yeah, mix up that and make this go in here now. Right away, we now waste the time. Yeah, something for ice it over it, you know. Alright, so we'll make it stay right or so. We'll probably have to find something for kind of ice it up.
people, the rain is up on us. We're going to rice up and steam out.
Wow.
Chicken still underground, so we still are waiting the verdict to see if it's a fail or a pass.
Stick to
Show them how one.
Yeah, man.
Rain people. Yeah guys, the place wet, be a rain. So Shamara check the oven here now to see if it flood out or still alive.
The oven no collapse, it's still active, it's still warm.
Man, your boy chicken them new, the cutlass when you.
Oh, chicken the way down there.
Way down, man. Well.
So Dodo, what you feel? You feel the chicken come out properly?
Properly it will come out. Prescribe, we say.
Yeah.
And it's for your
Knife
sleep.
Ninja, give them a test. Just press the hand point and tell me if the oven no warm.
Alright peeps, nice Ninja toast. The heat now.
Yes, man.
Well warm.
Yeah, man, me I feel the heat.
Alright.
Come
Alright.
that means say it
Watch me cover up the oven now.
So
Yo.
cover up what
Me I
this
feel the
one,
heat,
huh?
man.
Hold it. Put back the over up on this stick.
Yeah, guys.
Alright guys, just stick and stay and watch how it's going.
Alright. So people, we are trying to decide if we must dig up the chicken out of the earth or
Yes, sir.
make
Dig
it
it
stay a little longer. So we are going to rock, paper, scissors on it best out of three. What you say? If we take it out or not?
Alright, me so we take it out.
Me
Why?
say if we not take it
Jaja.
out. Me say no. Give it little more time. At least 15 more minutes.
Peeps, you hear my 3 hours it on the earth right now, you know?
Where is it?
2 hours.
Alright, so if we win one,
Yeah,
we
dig
take
up
it
the
out.
chicken.
So if we win, we take it out.
Yeah.
Alright, if we win, we make it safe.
Give 15 more minutes.
Alright.
Best out of three. Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Alright, dig up time.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Dig up time. Reveal time now, peeps.
Dig up time. Dig up.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, Shema, how you feel?
What that means is if we dig it up right already, it's my fault.
No, man. Yeah, guys.
Let's take time, go to talk.
Take time to talk to you.
Yeah, don't jam it and don't press it.
Fiddly.
Hey.
Say I pull the oven and a fret.
No, no, Fred.
Oh.
I was going to tell you, you know.
Keep it on the angle, yeah? Catch him a dig it up. What you say, Chris? Oh, go on. I doubt it, you know.
Yeah, guys.
Oh my God.
Everybody has say it one more time. Like what you know?
What you say?
Me say,
Is it ready?
What you say?
you good it me be
Bear
ready.
in mind, you know. We just had a rock, paper, scissors.
Knife Ninja it feel.
That's a hot
Best
room.
out of three.
Yeah?
That's
We
a
see
hot.
if it ready and a Knife Ninja win.
Jesus
I
and peace, so
decided-
they must say my
I-
fault. No, you hear that?
I said, best out of three. If him win, we take it out. I would say if me win, we give it 15 more minutes. But him win, so
So,
if it don't even ready, we know it's full of flavor, but a Knife Ninja fault, so it's ready.
So, me get the blame.
No, not necessarily.
So,
Yes, babes.
rock, paper, scissors.
Yes, guys. We should
You
have
should have got a vote.
John, guys.
It warm, don't it? Hot. Yeah, that's a hot for real, girl.
Warm or that?
Hot like it have a good little heat. I go on feet.
Shema, you fret?
No, sir.
So, all the piece of sit in a pitch up no smoke.
Come like, we put light and next fire to finish this thing.
Or make it stay on the earth as it did already.
Alright.
Yeah, girl.
Why this lovely and we're still kind of concerned.
Wow.
I know, guys.
Cool out. I rain out this, you know?
When I cut it up, I just get it there.
Yo,
John,
watch that.
John, guys.
Yo, think cool to the
Cool
touch.
and cool.
Watch it.
Watch it, guys.
Mind this burner.
Nah, burn man. Nah, burn man.
John, guys. Come like, whoa.
Turn on it.
Dips.
Cover down.
Come down closer, we'll get a little
Let
bit.
that burn.
No, to the thing, yeah. Just get them.
John, guys, look at this. The coal not cooling.
Not cooling at all.
The cool.
The big reveal is, you know.
Yeah, guys, this coming like a gender reveal.
You want to go with hand, you know? I mean, you know, matter forget anything.
Yeah,
You see because the mud wet?
Everything cool.
Everything cool.
everything cool.
I know what I'm going
Whoa,
I smoke that?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I smoke this hard though. Or smoke.
guys, look at this.
And they are warm. It will get hotter.
Seapod. Nah, man, it not gonna burn this. Yes, smoke.
Alright, so this is it, guys.
Whoa. My head start hurt, my peeps.
Mighty merciful
Look
Father.
at him, guys.
Chicken for days.
Jesus Christ.
You thought?
Hold on it.
Look at this, guys.
Hold on it. Yeah, that's what Chris know. Hold on it. Yo.
Peeps.
Hold on.
Guys.
Come in, man.
Guys.
Come in, man. Leave me a second.
Yo, we don't have to start the next fire. Huh?
Yeah, sir. Guys, we don't know what's going on underneath this, yeah?
No, we know what's going on.
Yo, big man. You can't take on that fill up with something and if a laughing thing.
Yo,
If you not clean
we
up,
know what
take
go
off
on.
the dirt off or something. You can't dance up the table, son.
Uncle, I want to
Get
tell
some
you, you know.
water. You know what's going on.
Get the water.
Rest it back one front, take out the whole side file paper. Remember, hold it for a pine.
We don't even want to look on it. Because we know what's going on underneath.
Ah, go on, Ninja.
Boy, the chicken look like it.
No move yet.
You know, reach nowhere. Like it even
I
did
know.
start.
I know.
Come like it even did start.
I know, guys.
Where did it?
Feel it until you know it's gone, guys.
Come like it even did start, brother. I wonder, probably it done.
It done,
Yeah.
man. It feel like it finished
I
still.
feel like it finished.
It feels so.
Yeah.
What smell?
I don't smell nothing.
Me I smell something,
Smell,
man.
man.
I smell like fish. No, I swear to God.
Alright, guys.
Wickedness cannot.
2 hours. Look at
So
this.
basically, we're going.
It's it clear.
No. I feel still, but I mean, it's just another.
Not a fear.
Boy, Chris,
Tell them it needs some more time still.
Yo, this is about 15 minutes. This is what another 3 hours, brother.
15 hours.
15 hours.
Shema. Potland again. Once more.
Scotland?
Yeah. Smell that, yacht? Smell that?
Alright.
So yes or no, Fiddly?
Moment of truth.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Alright, moment of truth, guys. Whoa! 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 Watch your face! Watch your face, guys!
Bad man.
Yo!
Yes, he said.
Whoa! Alright,
Jesus
alright.
Christ.
No, man, know yourself. Know
Whoa.
yourself.
Fry.
What you mean?
Jesus Christ.
What you mean?
Alright, guys.
Like that piece over there, sir.
Talk a boil down too.
Yes, sir.
The
Yes, sir.
tasting next.
Why are they too high?
You need say?
But,
I could get plate them and hear what everybody say.
alright,
ketchup?
guys.
Come back.
Yeah, man, we have ketchup.
No,
We have ketchup. We have ketchup. We have ketchup.
We have it this time.
Yeah, guys. Chris, I get to his sharing part now. Yeah, man, so when it's done, show the end product.
This is the marks.
Yeah, guys.
Nice now, bro.
Drop back in that small plate, man.
I think done.
Nice. No far no there. No, you never see with iron fork. Let me.
Oh my word. No, we did expect that. I mean, a little scrape off that. I must say that part they did lie down flat, you know, so. Yeah. And the fire did that kick up underneath her. So, I mean, we expect this. But yeah, what? The flavor of me know say it tastes nice.
The ninja, what you say?
Yeah, man, it good, man. One Martel Adventure TV, you know, but big up the chef. Him go on with himself. No, you hear me, I said, no? You go on with yourself, bro.
Call them, man.
Yeah, peeps, watch this. Shemar go very close to field. Watch ya. This close. Yeah, man, it work out. So hear me, I say, peeps.
I can taste the spice from there.
So sketch you next time for the next epic adventure, isn't it? Yeah, man.
Or you say popcorn?
I did say it already, but I say it again.
No, where you just said that comment. Talk to them,
Let
make
me
them
just
hear,
say
man.
again where you're here. Seriously.
Alright then, forget it. Play it
I
up.
tell you, so the spice that then you can taste it, man, but the food doesn't dry. That me say no.
I say ketchup.
You want another way to do it?
So you know tell them what cause all of that.
Does the fire burn out the thing?
Ketchup weird, man. I don't see I say ketchup.
The fire burn out the juice out of the food. I saw you. Oh, I don't want. Okay.
The worst people that go on still. Or maybe hungry.
Ketchup. You can taste the spice in the food, man.
You not bad still, yeah?
No, that may have me ketchup. Nothing can stop me.